Good morning, dear kids. I'm taking you exercise 6E. In that, we have Venn diagrams. Now, what are Venn diagrams? Can you see the structure here? This. This is a form of Venn diagram. So, everything which we were in my previous exercises, in my previous videos, you have seen that we were doing a making of sets and we were putting in all the elements in the form of roster form, and we also had the set builder form. Now we will have the representation of elements of set in a form of Venn diagram. If you notice here, this circle represents the set A and this circle represents set B, and wherever they intersect, the two circles intersecting, this is called as A intersection B. That means whatever common in set A and set B, that is this part. Getting my point? And this entire what rectangle I am putting in, if there are some elements outside it, then they all belong to the universal set. So universal set is this rectangle, and everything belonging inside this rectangle will be the elements of universal set. Is that clear? In this problem, we will see first is A union B. For that, first you make it what is A. How many elements are included in A? A, D, C, E. So can I write it A, D, C, E? What about B? If you see here, B consists of B, F, C, E. So I'll write it B, F, C, E. Once you got this, you have to find A union B. A union B means all the elements of A and B, but there should not be repetition of elements. So the elements will be something like this. Am I clear? Yes. This was your first. Next we have A complement intersection B. Now what is A complement? A complement means A के अलावा बाकी सब elements वो उसके complement कहलाएंगे. So what are बाकी सब elements? B, F, G, H. Getting my point? So can I write A complement is B, F, G, H? And what about B? B consists of whatever it has already. B, F, C, E. Now you have to make the intersection. That means you have to take the common of this. Which are the intersecting elements? B and F. So can we write it here? A complement intersection B is B and F. Easy? Similarly, you have A minus B. So you know the elements in A are A, C, D, E, and B are B, C, E, F. You have to subtract these. That means A के सभी elements में से जो B के belonging elements हैं उनको subtract करना है. So E को subtract कर दो क्योंकि वो B में भी आता है. C को subtract कर दो. So what will be remaining in A minus B is A and D. A माइनस बी मतलब A के एलिमेंट्स में से B को हटा दो. B के जो भी एलिमेंट्स हैं उनको हटा दो. क्लियर? कैन यू डू B माइनस A ऑन योर ओन? यस. आई टेक नेक्स्ट A यूनियन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट. आपके पास A यूनियन B तो है ऑलरेडी. A यूनियन B मतलब A और B के सभी एलिमेंट्स लाइक A, D, C, E, B, F. इनके अलावा कॉम्प्लीमेंट होता है वो सेट को छोड़ के बाकी के अलावा, मतलब इस पूरे A यूनियन B इन सब को छोड़ के बाकी जो आउटसाइड है H एंड G विल कम इनटू A यूनियन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट. क्लियर? आई हैव रिटन G and F, no G and H. Okay, next. Now same concept is same. The only numbers and the figures will little bit differ. The concept is same, that this is the intersection that is common. This is set A, this is set B, and outside the numbers which belong to the universal set. Your first is A complement. A के अलावा बाकी सब. A में क्या क्या है? 3, 4, okay, we have 3, 4, and A consists of your 1 and as well as 6. You can write it in the proper order, that is 1, 3, 4, 6. Okay. Once you got that, you have to find a complement. मतलब इन numbers के अलावा बाकी पूरे entire universal set में जो भी हैं इनको हटा दो. बाकी जो भी है that will come in a complement. That is, can I take 2, 5, then you have 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that will be your A complement. Clear? Similarly, you have to get your B and B complement. Can you do that? I'll take your third, that is A complement union B complement. तो B complement का जो आपको वैल्यू आया है, B complement is B के एलिमेंट्स के अलावा. सो B के एलिमेंट्स अगर आपने हटा दिए, बाकी जो भी बचता है यूनिवर्सल सेट में, दैट विल बी योर B complement. क्लियर? अब हम लोग को फाइंड करना है A complement union B complement. That means you have to combine all the elements of A complement as well as B complement, provided you will not repeat any element. Clear? Next we have A intersection B complement. Where is A intersection B? A intersection B is this 1. इसके अलावा 1 के अलावा everything will be its complement. So all the remaining elements of the sets of the universal set will come into A intersection B complement. So the intersection point 1 will not be there. Clear? Next you have to see, you got in your answers A complement union B complement, and you also got A intersection B complement. You have to check whether they are equal. Are you getting the same elements in both of them? Can you check that? Yes. Okay. Next we have, next is A. Okay, we got this. Also verify A complement B complement का intersection. Is it equal to A union B का complement? Got my point? So once you have to take this, and I guess the element in A complement intersection B complement. For that first you have found A complement, you have found B complement, और उन दोनों में जो commonness है, जो intersection points हैं, जो common elements हैं, that will be included in this, and that will be, I guess, 7, 8, 9, 10. Please do and check. And you also have to find A union B complement. A यूनियन B को मिला के आपका होता है ये सब एलिमेंट्स जो A एंड B को मिला के हैं. इफ़ यू नोटिस हियर, दीज ऑल एलिमेंट्स आर इंक्लूडेड इन A यूनियन B मिला के. उसके अलावा जो यूनिवर्सल सेट में बचता है, दैट विल बी योर A यूनियन B कॉम्प्लीमेंट, एंड आई गेस दैट विल बी 7, 8, 9, 10. So if you notice, these both are equal, hence you can say this is verified. Clear? Next we have question number 3. In this, if you notice, you have 3 circles together, means you have 3 sets A, B, C. Getting my point? These D and G are intersection between A and B. Getting my point clear? D, G, H, sorry. These 3 are intersection between A and B. And if you want to find intersection between A and C, so you have to take this circle and this circle. So what is the intersection? I and H. So that is intersection between A and C, I and H. What about B and C? What is the intersection? H and J. So the elements in the intersection of B and C are H and J. So we have taken the intersection. You have to find first is A union B intersection C. What is A? A consists of all the elements which you can see in this circle. That is A, B, C, D, G, H, I. Am I correct with this? Then you have to make its union with B intersection C. First B, what is B now? B, just B, look at B. Shall I change the pen so that you can make it out? I'm talking about B now. So this is your B. And B consists of D, E, G, H, J, F. Am I correct with this? And C consists of, if you can notice this black, that is H, I, J, K and L. So you have all the three sets. First you take the intersection of B and C. So what are common in B and C? Can I take H and J? So we will write B intersection C is H and J. Now you have to make union of A and B intersection C. So these both you have to take. So what is union? Union is making all elements together. So A union B intersection C is, you will include all of A, B, C, D, G, H, I, and you will also include H and J. Because H is already there, so we will just include J. Clear? Next we have B minus A minus C. So whatever elements are there in A, first note it down, C note it down, and then subtract A minus C first. Let's do it. A you have A, B, C, D, G, H, I, and C you have H, I, J, K, L. And when you subtract elements of C from A, C के जो भी elements हैं वो A से निकाल दो, तो H निकल जाएगा, I निकल जाएगा, okay, and the remaining will be A, B, C, D, G. Am I correct with this? Once you got A minus C, now you have to take B, and B is D, E, F, G, H, I. From B you have to subtract A minus C. मतलब A minus C के जो भी elements हैं, अगर उसके elements कुछ B में हैं तो निकाल दो. So you can see D is there, G is there. So D and G I'll subtract from B. So B minus A minus C will be E, F, H, I. Okay. So the remaining elements will be included in B, F, H, I. Clear with this? Can you do A minus B on your own? Your next is A intersection B complement. My dear kids, what is B complement? You have A set. Okay. What will be B? We have B set also. So B complement क्या होगा? B के अलावा बाकी सब. तो B के set में जो सब आ रहे हैं उनके अलावा whatever is remaining will be in your B complement. So what is remaining apart from B? A, B, C, I, K, L, P, N, M. So this is called as B complement. Now you have to make its its intersection with A. And what was A? A के क्या क्या elements हैं? We have A, B, C, D, G, H, I. Now if you notice, what is intersection? Intersection means common elements. A, B, C, that's it. Even I. Okay, so you have A intersection B complement as A, B, C, I. Now my dear kids, your next is they have asked whether A intersection B complement is equal to A minus B. So you have got both of them. You have to check whether the elements are equal or not. Next we have question number 4, in which Venn diagram is given. You have to find B minus A. You can notice here this B is inside A. That means B is a subset of A. Yes, you have to find B minus A. Do we have any elements जो B में हैं और A में भी हैं, और उसमें से subtract करोगे तो what you will get? B is 1 and 5 and A is 1, 5, 6, 7, 9. So if you do B minus A, that means A के elements B में से हटा दो तो आपका B बन जाता है empty set. So your answer for your first is empty set. Clear? A you have already written here, A elements. B complement means B के अलावा बाकी जो भी elements हैं that will come in your B complement. A intersection B. A intersection B is common, that means 5, 1 and 5. A union B, that means all the elements belonging to A and B, but there should not be repetition of elements. Clear? Next is draw Venn diagram to show the relationship between two overlapping sets A and B. Now shade the region representing. If you want to represent A intersection B, so as I said you, if this is your set, the A intersection B will be this part. So this part will be A intersection B. What about A union B? If I have A set and B set, so the union will be the entire both sets together. So you will shade the entire region of A and B. What about B minus A? So if I am taking again a set where there are two overlapping sets A and B, B में से A का हटा देना है तो बाकी जो B में बचता है, that means you will shade the remaining part of B after subtracting part of A from it. So this is the shading region representing your B minus A. Next is you have to draw a Venn diagram to show the relationship between A and B such that A is a subset of B. So in your Venn diagram, you have to make B the bigger one and A inside it so that it becomes a subset of B. Now you have to shade the region A union B. In this, if you want to shade the region A union B, so it will be entire AB together. Okay? Again, you have the same. A is a subset, so A will be inside, B outside. Now you have to shade B complement intersection A. B complement, this is your B set. B के अलावा जो भी है, so that will be outside, B complement and intersection A. B complement और A का कोई intersection होगा ही नहीं क्योंकि B का complement is the remaining part of universal set and A is inside B, so there will be no intersection. So in that will be empty set, so you do not have to shade any region. Next is A intersection B. A और intersection B में आपका region ये आएगा darkest, जो मैंने A को पूरा कर दिया because A belongs to B. So उनका intersection point क्या होगा? A के सभी elements B में belonged हैं तो A complete will be your shaded region. Next is A union B complement. My dear kids, what is A union B? A union B is this what you have marked here in this. Now इसका complement means इसके अलावा बाकी जो universal set में है that will be A union B complement. Is that clear?